Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing an Ipsy bag. I actually got this bag for free because Ipsy was doing a promotion where they were giving healthcare professionals and essential workers a free self-care bag. So I got that for free and it just arrived like last week. It took about 2 months to get here, so I actually forgot I ordered it and it came in the mail and I was like, free Ipsy bag? Like what? So I don't know what's in it, but it looks pretty cute. So we're gonna see what's in here. I have no idea. It says it's a self-care bag, so maybe like some skincare stuff, maybe some relaxing stuff. We'll see. Without further ado, here we go. All right, first off, see some 2 masks. Juice Up, that seems like the brand. A pumpkin mask and a tomato mask. Interesting. Never heard of this brand. Seems cool though. And the directions, I thought they were just in a different language, but they have English too. It says Juice Up Superfood Mask Series provides juice a day benefits to your skin. Nice. I feel like these are gonna smell like kind of awful though, so that'll be fun. But nice, 2 masks. Then, oh my gosh, cute. A cheetah print little bag, and there's more products inside here. Ah, a little tassel. That's it for the actual container. Okay, let's see what's in here next. Trisola leave-in conditioner. Hydrating leave-in conditioner instantly detangles, leaving hair silky smooth. Apply a small amount on damp hair. Okay, cool. That seems nice. It looks fancy. Never heard of this either. Next item, makeup remover wipe. Nice. Always can use some of these. This is just like a little sample, probably like 1 wipe in there. But obviously we're a lot of makeup, so these are definitely a thing I use all the time. Oh, and then here's this. That's so cute. It's a little thing telling you stuff. Let us care for you. You are our hero, and your incredible bravery in the face of COVID-19 is nothing short of inspiring. We believe self-care is more important than ever, so we hope this package will bring a bit of delight to your day. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. That is so nice. I like that. Cute. So like these are just ones for healthcare workers, not just like a normal bag that they just sent out too. Another makeup wipe. Tarte Double Duty Beauty. Gonna focus. Base tape hydrating primer. Okay, cool. I don't often use primers in my makeup routine just because they usually have me break out, but I could try this because people say primers help to make your makeup stay on your face, so that would be helpful if it worked. And then this seems like the last item. It is a facial detox purifying mask by Mud Masky. So cute. Well, these were super cute. They looked all to be like, well, this one might be honestly a full-size item. I'm not positive. Oh my gosh, I dropped it. Don't want my dog to eat it. They all are very cute though. All like self-care things, just like they said. I'm excited to use them. And I get this cute bag. I'm obsessed with Ipsy bags. I used to get Ipsy bags all the time, but I never really used the products, but I'm obsessed with these little bags. So like, I'm very excited about that. It doesn't have anything to tell me like the prices or anything, but like since I didn't pay for it, that's like usual. Like I wouldn't expect it, I guess. But usually when you buy an Ipsy bag, it has like a little card telling you like the price of each item so you can see how good of a worth your box was. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching me open this random bag I got in the mail. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Bye.